Coming into our newsroom, also relating to the president, this over his ongoing court battle for his tax returns and financial documents. NBC's Pete Williams is joining us. Pete, what's going on?
It's another loss for the president in court. You may recall that in July, the Supreme Court said the president is not absolutely immune from a grand jury subpoena issued by the district attorney Cy Vance in New York, seeking the president's tax returns. But the Supreme Court said he could go back and try to get the subpoena defeated as any ordinary person would. The president has done that. He lost in the trial court. Now he's lost today in the Court of Appeals. The court said the subpoena is not overbroad. It may be broad, it said, but it's not overbroad. Trump had argued that he should only be asking for material that deals with the hush money payments made by Michael Cohen. The second claim that the president's lawyers had made is that the subpoena was issued in bad faith. And the appeals court said there may be partisan politics in terms of Congress trying to get the president's tax return with its subpoena, but none of that should be attributed to the district attorney in New York. So another loss for Trump. However, the two sides have agreed that the district attorney will not seek to enforce the subpoena now, even though he could. He'll wait to let the president's lawyers try to get an interim stay from the U.S. Supreme Court. If that isn't successful, then they say they will seek to enforce the subpoena, Hallie.
So, Pete, let me just be super crystal clear on this. Number one, does this set up potentially more? It obviously sets up more appeals, maybe up to the Supreme Court, if you can speak to that. And two, just to be clear for viewers, none of this loss for the president, this doesn't mean like tomorrow we're going to see the president's documents, right?
Yeah, maybe on the first and yes on the second. So maybe, and not maybe, definitely they will go to the Supreme Court. That's really their next step. I mean, they could go to the full Second Circuit Court of Appeals, but there's really no point in that. So they're going to go to the Supreme Court. Okay. We know that's going to happen. They will ask the Supreme Court to put a hold on this ruling today so that that's the answer to the second part. Nothing will be turned over immediately. In fact, the court today issued a stay to give the Trump lawyers time to go to the Supreme Court and try to get an interim order while they appeal the merits of the case to the Supreme Court, Hallie.
Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel. Why don't you subscribe? It's really easy. Just click on that button down there. And for more news from MSNBC, click on any of these videos here for the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more videos from MSNBC with our newsletters. Head over to msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up.